tour? Yeah. Hello, Internet world. Today we are going to do a golf cart tour of Emerald Coast RV Resort and Panama City Beach.
RV Comix.
Here we go.
This is our spot, number 73. Let's do a quick tour of our RV and then we'll hop on the golf cart and then we'll see the whole place. As you can see, we have the best spot in the entire RV resort. This is our yard and that is our pool right there. It's almost always private. And the playground is right behind us. I would say that we have the primo spot in the entire RV resort. Today is a Tuesday morning. A lot of empty spots, but this weekend coming up is Thunder Week, which means every spot will be full with motorcycles. Let's take a look inside very quickly as we tour, and then here we go. All right, living area.
Look into our RV.
Here we go, just really fast. We're gonna go really fast and show everyone.
If you want a more detailed video on our RV
Where
tour,
Behr sleeps.
Yeah, and this is where I sleep in a tent. If you want a more detailed RV tour, there's an entire video on that, so check that out. Link in the description.
Here is our additional tent that we have. We wake up in the morning to this beautiful tree, which is the tree of a million birds, because a million birds live in there. There's our flash. Here is Behr's new desk and printing area.
Professional.
This is what our RV looks like today. We have a new TV. Hold on, I will, Behr. All right, our bathroom, the master bedroom, some truth reading we have going on. All right, what is that, Behr?
It's the newsman featuring two political cartoons that are hilarious in a cartoon corner. If you want a more detailed RV tour, we have an entire video on that, so check it out. Link in the description.
All right, let's get on the golf cart and show everyone the RV resort.
Yeah,
Here.
owner of this copy of the magazine, subscribe to find out.
All right, let's go get on the golf cart.
Okay, come on, let's go on the golf cart.
All right, here we go. Now for the tour. Because I want to show, this is our new exterior tent that we sleep in. Our new exterior tent. Playground right behind our RV. Here is the back of our RV. The tree of a million birds. This is what we wake up to every morning. I love the tree of a million birds. All right, let's get on the golf cart.
Now let's go.
Come on, Odin.
This magazine be yours. Snap up Comix. Snap up Comix.
Let's go. We're going to go fast.
RV Resort, Panama City Beach, Florida.
Would you like to get your very own copy of the Newsman? Spend our comic and you get one mailed to you. Let's go, Brayden, let's go!
Now we are driving the golf cart to the zoo. Let's go.
I know that sounds crazy. What the zoo was so close to this RV resort. But you even had the golf cart there.
ZooWorld, here we
Is
come.
that crazy?
They're pretty up close today. I think they have 80 to 90 alligators here at the zoo.
Yeah, it's that number. If you want to count them, just like pause the video like right now or like right now.
Here's the tiger. This is Willem's favorite. Sometimes he's up pacing. Today he's going 9-9. And we can see him through the RV resort. There he is. And here's our tortoises. They're making eggs, right? The emu. They get very cold. Look, where's Behr?
Hey, look, I got a big bird.
Odin, he gonna get on you. Oh! Hey, Willem, what is it?
It's a lion.
Is she right there?
Yeah, he's right there.
She's resting. I'm gonna show Grandma C, so Grandma C can see what we're doing.
and-
What's over here?
And also, last time when we've been here, the lion wasn't here. They were just hyenas.
Yeah, now we have the African lions. Look
What-
how beautiful
what-
she is.
what-
Oh, look.
What did they do?
Here, let him
what
get
did
close.
they do? What did they do to the hyenas?
I don't know. We're gonna have to ask the zookeeper because I'm not sure.
I think they still have them.
Behr, what's that hyena doing? Behr, what's he? Oh, he wants to read your book. Oh, Behr, look. Look, Odin. Behr, he wants to read your book. Behr, look at him. Oh. Here comes the other. He's like, what's going on here? Odin, go to him. Go, Odin. Willem, look. Behr, he really likes your book. Behr, he wants to read your book. They're probably like, why is this chair here? What is going on? Oh.
You hear them chirping? Bear, listen to them chirping. Baby, look, Odin. It's the Odin monkey. Look, that's the Odin monkey right there. He's so mean. Look. Mean. Good girl.
And we're doing some mining. Willem, what did you find?
I'm throwing it out.
Shark tooth and gold. Shark teeth and gold.